So I have stopped again. I am doing it. So I think now we can able to see. So today I will show you what are the syllabus for the CCNA as per the Cisco. Okay, the latest CCNA. It's not the old CCNA what I am going to train. So I have stopped again. Yeah. So now I am live now. You can see, right, the press. Yeah, so now I'm live in YouTube. Because I have a few very less subscribers. Usually I don't do that. Okay, subscribers are very less. I think 230, 240 are there. In coming days, I think they will come and join this. They will subscribe. They will get a lot of. They can watch live. So let me start the thing which I want to tell you. For live streaming, I don't want to record this one because when I start the real core training, then I'll start the recording, then upload in YouTube or in Facebook as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me share, make me host. So as you can see my screen, right?
Yeah. Yes, I can see it.
So do you know, like this is the cost of the exam. So as you can see, $300 US, right? It's a 300 USD. But in India, it is $325 average.
Oh, okay.
So as you can see here, it's cost $300 for the exam. Okay, in India, it's 325 plus 18% GST. The cost of this exam. So if you talk about the exam view, okay, you will have the network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, automation and programming. Okay, this is a new one, so which I had not trained. Very few batches I had taken for automation and programming. Okay, so programming, do you have any knowledge, Tabrez?
Programming, actually, I'm not really. A little bit I have.
I think you might heard about the Python programming, right?
Yeah, I heard about Python.
Okay, so they had it here.
Okay.
So this also I'll teach you this one, the Python programming. So we shall discuss the more details. So if you talk about the exam view, this is the Cisco site. Okay, this is a Cisco site. If you talk about how the exam will be, so we can see this is the list of exam code. We can see this is the exam code. Same exam code are same for everywhere toward the world. Okay, we can give this exam. Don't worry, as I told you. Okay, as I don't know to already I discussed this about the exam. Okay, let's discuss what are the things we are going to learn. The span of this takes 1 month or 1.5 months, depending upon at the middle. If you take break 1 or 2 days, if I take the break, so it will take more time. Okay, at the same time, I will go slow. Okay, and so that other people can join the session.
Okay.
Okay, if I go fast means they can't understand. The reason I'll go slow. So today, what I'm trying to explain you. So what are the things you are going to learn in CCNA? Okay, as you know that is a high demand, high demand since 20 years. Since 20 years, CCNA has never come down. See, it is the high demand course throughout the world. So now, as we can see, we are going to explain the role and function of network components. Okay, we'll have the layer 2, layer 3 switches. Okay, remember, always if I talk about layer 2, layer 3 means, remember, layer 3 is nothing but your network layer. I'm not teaching you the training now. We are discussing only syllabus now. Okay, so today's agenda, after completing this, I'm going to start the OSA reference model. Okay, and next generation firewall and IPsec, we are going to discuss maybe I think Cisco ASA, okay, or firepower. Firepower, that is called, we will call FTD from the Cisco firewall. We are going to discuss that. Okay, access points, Cisco DNA centers, and wireless. This is a wireless controller.
Okay.
WLC means wireless controller. I think in your bank also, in your organization, you will have a wireless controller.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, endpoints. Okay, you have, I think endpoint is nothing but a user this perspective. Who will use a laptop, mobile phones, or your CCTV cameras, and servers and PoE. Any idea about PoE?
Yeah, power over Ethernet we use basically when just putting on the access point. So some access point we have like the ruckus one, the it's like series 6. So we do the power PoE on the managed switch.
Okay, so what is the main job of this one? So we will get the power right from here, power and data.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. So we will get both here.
Yeah.
Right. So any idea about this one, tier 1 and tier 2? You want me to increase the size?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Now it's better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so describe the current state of network topology. So 2-tier, 3-tier, like spine, leaf. Okay. These things we'll discuss. And WAN technologies, SOHA rate, small office, home office, on premises, and the cloud. We shall also discuss about the cloud.
Yeah.
Okay, spine leaf, it is nothing but is look like this, Tabriz. Okay, you will be having a lot of, I think you might know this basic architecture, standard architecture, I could say. So this is how they will connect it. Okay, and the same thing, this guy is connected, this guy. Okay, this guy is connected like this. And this will call here the spine. And this is called a leaf. And this is called your layer 3 switch. Okay, and this will call it as your layer 2 or layer 3 as well. Okay, so layer 3, what is the layer 3 switch? Means it will work in your network layer. Means layer 3 means it has got the capabilities to do the routing and switching as well. Okay, it's got a capability. So this is what he's talking about. Okay, the spine and leaf concept. Okay, 2-tier architecture and 3-tier architecture. So this is called your 2-tier and 3-tier architecture. We shall discuss this more details. So compare physical interface and cabling types, single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber, and copper. Okay, I think you know, right? Optical fiber cable. Okay, can you tell me in which scenario it is used single mode and which scenario it is used multi-mode?
Single mode we use like if we have the one I did it works like
Tabriz, I'm asking a lot of questions, okay, because I want to understand how much no, don't worry, because it's your kid. Okay, let them see. Okay. Your kid is at the backside, she came and she went out, no problem. Okay, see, because I'll be asking a lot of questions because I want to understand and feel comfortable. Don't get scared because तार साहब बहुत सवाल करते हैं, मुझे नहीं आता वो भी सवाल करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. Because think that like I'm your friend. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because then only we can learn many things, because it's not easy. CCNA, you can see rate content is very huge. Okay, so now you tell me what is single mode and which scenario it is a single mode and which scenario it use your multi-mode.
For example, like a single mode, if you are giving a fiber connection from the ISP to a organization, yeah, and the multi-mode we like. If I forgot, I'm not sure about multi-mode, but single mode I did it, but I'm not sure about the multi-mode.
See, the single mode, it is used for the long distance.
Okay.
A single mode.
Mm.
Okay. The multi-mode, it is used inside the rack. We will be having lot of routers, switches, firewall connected. So there we are connecting your multi-mode.
Mm-hmm.
So multi-mode, your optical cable. Fiber. Means with this short distance, we are using multi-mode. For long distance, we are using single mode. Okay. And of course, I think you might know we are using the copper wire as well. So connection, Ethernet, share media, and point to point. Okay, so collision, error, mismatch, duplex. Okay, and compare with the UDP and TCP. I think you might know about, right, this one, UDP and TCP.
Yeah, last time you shared also about UDP too. Huh?
Okay, so we shall also discuss the which layer it will work. What is the port number for that? Okay, we should discuss more details about it.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the quite, I think you might face in the interview most of the organizations. So we will we'll do the IP addressing. Okay, so with a simple way, I'll teach you how we can calculate the subnetting, how we can calculate the subnets, why we require the subnet, what is a loopback, what is multicast IP, what is broadcast IP, what is APIPA IP address, how we can do the supernetting, how we can do the subnetting. These all things we shall discuss. Discuss the need of private IP address. Okay, so why we need this private IP address? Okay, just to communicate with each other within the organization.
Communicate each other. Yeah.
Communicate each other. So when the organization, this is your organizations. Okay, you are running around 1,000 PCs inside. Okay, obviously you must have the ISP connection, right?
ISP. Yeah.
Right. So when we are going to ISP, there we require your public IP. So inside to assign this 100 PC, you required which IP address?
Private.
You require your private IP address. Okay. To convert this, okay. So which what we are using?
The coaxial.
You are converting what we are using?
The cable, you mean to say?
Not cable. So connecting, we can use the optical fiber cable only. We are using it. Okay.
Yeah,
Now, see. Right now, I am using like 1,000 computers in my organizations. Okay. So example, this is Ali Bank. In my organizations, I have the 1,000 computers. Okay, all means 1,000 IP, right? 1,000 IP address. Okay, this all 1,000 IP address, they must have the internet access, right?
Yeah.
Means you cannot take 1,000 internet connection, right?
Yeah.
Only one ISP we are using it.
Yes.
Okay, to convert this, okay, that is your private IP address, private to public.
Public.
Okay, we are using NAT. You heard about this?
Let me.
NAT.
Yeah, I had, but
Network address translation.
Transmission.
Okay, and this is only for IPv4. Okay, for IPv6, not required NAT. It doesn't require the NAT. NAT not required. Okay, only NAT is applicable only for your IPv4. Only IPv4. This also will do it. So IPv6 we shall discuss as well. IPv6, that is a global, unique local, link local, unicast, multicast, modification of EUI 64-bit. So few organizations already they have started using IPv6 as well. Some organizations. So next thing is, I think you can see verification of IP parameters. Okay, client OS, your Mac OS, Linux. How we can assign the IP address for Windows or your Mac, your Linux. Okay, I think you might heard already these things, how to assign this. So wireless, I think overlap, Wi-Fi channels, SSID, RF, encryption, how we can do virtualization fundamentals, servers, containers, and VRF. So any idea about the VRF?
No, sir.
So virtual routing forwarding. Okay. Virtual routing forwarding. Okay. We'll do the virtualization. Okay. And we'll also discuss about the containers. So what is the containers? And describe the switching concepts. We can learn what is the MAC learning and aging, frame switching, frame flooding, MAC address table. See, this is only just one topic. Okay, so which contain 20%. If you talk about this, now can see a network access 20%. Okay, IP connectivity 25, IP services 10, security fundamentals 10, automation 10. If we talk about networking, so these are the list we can see. Normal edge, spanning multiple switches, access port, data and voice. So I think he's talking about IP4. Okay, that is a part of Cisco collaboration, right? He's talking about where we can route the traffic, your data traffic and voice traffic. A best example, your Zoom. Okay, so right, we can see. So I can able to communicate with you. This is the voice.
Yeah.
Okay, even you can see my videos, right? Yeah, this is the best example. Okay, so now to be these things, so IP4 is going to dawn in the market now in couple of maybe another 6 months because of Zoom, I think Microsoft Teams, and other lot of vendors we can see Google Meet, a lot of vendors going to dawn. We shall also discuss this configuration, inter-switching connectivity. What is the trunk port? So 802.1q. Okay, so any idea about trunk port?
Trunking. Yes, like for example, we are putting like 2 switches in another organization. We like putting 2 switches, so we're doing a trunking to give the network to another building. Yeah.
Okay.
I guess so. I think yeah.
You are on the way, almost complete, almost complete.
So yeah, just like for example, we have like at my bank we have like about 5th floor. Like we have 5 stories, right? So we have put like 5 different switches. So we have do the trunking like for each and individual floor. So from all the switches.
Yes. Okay. Say example, this is my first floor. Okay. So as you can see, this is my first floor, second floor, and this is the first floor. Okay. So here I'm connecting a lot of maybe around 100 PCs I connected here. And here you're running around 200 PCs. So how these guys will communicate with each other? Because they will communicate based on your trunk link.
Yeah.
Trunk link.
Yeah.
Now, what is a trunk link? How we can define? Okay. So trunk link, trunk is nothing but it will carry the number of VLAN traffic on the trunk link.
Okay.
Maybe you create a lot of VLAN. Say example, your VLAN 10, okay, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, same thing here. 10, 20, 30. Right, so we are learning a lot of VLANs. So these all VLANs, they will use this trunk link. Okay, and remember, so here we are running your STP. STP means spanning tree protocol. Okay, what it does is very simple. So when I start the complete detailed training, then I'll tell you the more details. What it basic things is going to block any one of the link.
Okay.
By default. By default, it does. Whenever you connect the 2 link to the switch, by default is going to block 1 link. because
okay.
to avoid the loop,
Yeah.
to avoid the loop, so that you
Mm.
cannot send a frame again and again. Say example, if I say I am the switch 1 and you are the switch 2. Okay, if I send any message to you, BPD message, hello Tabriz means, again you are sending me back. I will think that this is the new frame. I will send you again. You will think this is a new to me. Again, you will send. Now what happens?
Yes.
So this will become the loop.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this will become the loop. Okay, that's the reason what they are doing. So what they have come up with, your spanning tree, they'll come into picture. Is going to block one link so that it will not repeat the same frame, same message. And this link will be active.
Okay.
This is the job of your spanning tree. We'll also do the lab for this incoming session. And if you do the lab, then it will be very interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is called a trunk link. Trunk link means this all VLAN traffic will move.
Yeah.
This is called a trunk link. It will carry multiple VLAN traffic. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the job native VLAN. We shall also discuss about this all configuration. And this is a Cisco this thing priority, Cisco proprietary configuring your layer 2 configurations, CDP, Cisco Discover or LLDP, layer 2 Ether channel. So it is nothing but a we can say latest now in the data center. So right now, I think you might know because my specialization is data center, Cisco data center. Because I'm certified for
CDC?
data center, DC,
okay.
data center. So इसमें ये क्या है देखो तो, this is very important topic and very interesting topic. Okay, so all the organizations, they are using this one, Ether channel or layer 2 and layer 3 Ether channel. We'll call LSAP. तो ये क्या करता है देखो, वेरी सिंपल, देखो बहुत इजी है, आपको अच्छा समझ में आ जाएगा. देखो ये मेरे स्विच है,
right?
Okay, so I'll be connecting these two switches. Okay, example, this is my switch 1. Okay, this is my switch 2. Okay, आप देखो अभी आपको अभी ट्रेनिंग अभी शुरू नहीं किया है. This is not a training. माने ट्रेनिंग अभी शुरू नहीं किया है. Don't get confused. उसका फ्लो रहेगा, आपका दिमाग में रहेगा. I will share you the slides, Cisco official material, all I will share you. ये आपको मैं सिलेबस में आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ कि हम सीखने वाले क्या है another 1 month में.
Yeah.
Okay, for you is very important. Okay, I must train you. You must get trained from me. Because I want to, after you get trained, I want to use your skills. I have the plan for you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's go with this. ये क्या करता क्या है? As simple as this. Okay, you have the 4 ports down and 4 ports here. Okay, when you connect like this, okay, say example, the each link is 1 gig. Okay, right. So each gig is 1 link. So when you make it bundling, what happened? It will become
4 gig.
4 gig. This is called the Ether channel. That's it. Okay, they have some conditions. It should be same speed. समझो एक बंदा का ये 1 gig है, ये 2 gig है, ये 4 है, ये 6 है, then it is not possible. It should be the same speed.
So equal speed, no?
Equal speed. अब समझो very simple example. समझो आपकी कोई स्टिक है, ओके, एक स्टिक का साइज इतना है, एक स्टिक का साइज इतना है, एक इतना है. Can you make it bundle?
No.
Okay, it should have the same speed.
Same size, yeah.
Same size. Okay, what will become? Okay, they can make it the bundle. I mean, they'll become very strong, right? To make it bundle.
Yeah.
Right. So this is called the Ether channel. शायद मेरे एग्जाम्पल आपको समझ में आ रहे हैं. Okay, yeah. And next thing is, and we have discovered what is the root port, destination port, wireless. AP means, AP mode means access point.
AP, huh?
AP means access point. I think in the bank also we can see right at the top they'll fix APs.
API.
I don't know which they are using, the Aruba or Cisco Meraki, which I don't know in your bank they are using.
I think the security guys they're using the Cisco.
Cisco, okay.
Yeah.
Cisco Meraki, I think they are using. Wireless access point, and we'll also discuss the components of AP, wireless access, trunk, LAGP, and also discuss the TACAS and TACAS and radius, telnet, SSH. I think you might know about this, right? How we can configure this. Okay, we'll also do the lab. Okay, and configuration this part. See, IP connectivity. If you talk about IP connectivity, and here we are going to learn your routing protocols. Okay, routing tables, preweeks, next hop, long matching, administrative distance, and we can going to learn the static routing, default network route. Network route is talking about the OSPF, EAGRP, host routing. So as you can see, these are the routing protocols. We shall discuss this. These are the labs. Everything is lab here. DR, VD allegation, router ID, OSPF, one of the biggest routing protocol. Every organization they are using.
Yes.
Version 2 OSPF.
EAGRP also, huh?
Yeah. So EAGRP also we should discuss. Then this is 10%, and I as I told you, right, NAT.
Yeah.
Okay, so NAT also will do the configuration. NTP. Okay, we'll also configure the NTP server. NTP, I think you might know, right?
No.
Network time protocol.
Okay.
Okay, network time protocol. It's quite very important, Tabriz. This is very important. So what about this one, DHCP and DNS?
Yeah.
Why we are using DHCP and DNS?
Because
don't get shy, okay? Okay. डरने का नहीं बोला ना, no डरने का, because I am with you.
Yeah. DHCP
दिमाग से निकालो, where it is there, DHCP कहाँ से दिमाग में अटका है उसको निकालो. Try to answer me. Okay.
Yeah. DHCP actually why we do the configuration, because sometimes the static side is like a backend report, the DHCP. So sometimes the static routing doesn't काम नहीं करता तो DHCP से भी काम चलाते हैं ना. Yeah.
आपको सिंपल एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ DHCP. अब देखो मैंने बताया कि एक एग्जांपल आपको बताया कि आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में यू हैव अराउंड 1000 species, right? So manually आप 1000 PC you will be having around, say example 10 floors building है. Every building में जाके you cannot assign manually, right, static IP address. एक कंप्यूटर को. It takes long time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. At the same time, the next day he will go to, because one guy is there. Okay. एक बंदा है, सब जो आप ही है. One day he will go to 5th floor. You will sit in 5th floor. After a few months, you go and will sit in 6th floor. Sometimes you will go and sit in 10th floor. इसको automatic IP address required, right? Okay, no need to configure. So every time you cannot go, बंदे आएंगे आपके पास, engineer जो भी employees है, okay, तबरेज मुझे IP address दो, I want to access the internet. Every time you cannot give every people, right? 1000 people are there in your organization.
Yeah.
Okay, in that scenario, we are using DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Okay, तो इसमें क्या होता है DHCP में? It does the DORA process. सुना है आपने?
डोरा मैंने नाम सुना है सर, नाम सुना है. हाँ. डोरा मैंने नाम सुना है.
Very interesting है आपको.
Yeah.
आपको ऐसा पढ़ाऊंगा कि आप जिंदगी भर आपके बच्चों को फिर पढ़ाएंगे आप.
सही है, सही.
याद रखेंगे बस. ओके, ठीक है. व्हाट इज द डोरा प्रोसेस? सिंपल है. देखो ये मेरा क्लाइंट रह गया पीसी, ये रहेगा आपका पीसी. ओके, दिस इज माय सर्वर and this is my host. तो ये क्या करेगा, दिस इज सेंड द रिक्वेस्ट टू द server. So this is called is discovering. Okay, someone I know, he will send the message that is called ARP message. Address region photo request करेगा, discover करेगा. Means इसको then will again इसको क्या पूछेगा? It will offer. D means discover, offer, request, acknowledge. Okay. Then ये क्या करेगा? Okay, ये इसको ऑफर करेगा. So please ऑफर करेगा उसको. Okay, again इसको रिक्वेस्ट करेगा. And this is requesting for IP address. Okay, इसको रिक्वेस्ट करेगा, प्लीज गिव मी हु आई एम इन द नेटवर्क. मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे IP एड्रेस चाहिए, प्लीज दो. ओके, ये क्या करेगा? उसको रिक्वेस्ट भेजेगा. ओके फाइन, प्लीज टेक दिस विद द एक्नॉलेजमेंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्ट. हम इसको एक्ट बोलते हैं, एक्नॉलेजमेंट. ये आपको वायर शॉक में आपको पैकेट कैप्चर करके मैं बताऊंगा. वायर शॉक में आपको बताऊंगा कि ये पैकेट फ्लो कैसा होता है. ओके, हाउ दिस योर DHCP इज गोइंग टू वर्क, एंड दिस इज क्वाइट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
ओके,
ये किस लिए बोल रहा हूं मैं? इवन DHCP स्नूफिंग में हम पढ़ाते हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी में बंदों को. स्नूफिंग पढ़ाते हैं DHCP. मीन्स हाउ इफ सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच हैपेंड, हाउ इट विल हैपन स्पेशली फॉर DHCP.
ओके,
ओके, तो कोई भी बंदा आएगा, समझो आई एम नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट? आई एम नॉट एम्प्लॉय. ओके, जस्ट इमेजिन आई एम द हैकर. ओके, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? आई विल सेंड वन ARP रिक्वेस्ट आपकी बिल्डिंग के आगे बैठ के, पेड़ के नीचे. तो मैं आके बैठूंगा कि आई नो योर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स, आई विल सेंड हिम. सो भाई आप क्या करूंगा? आपके सर्वर को भेजूंगा. तो सर्वर को क्या पता चलेगा? ये बोल देगा ओके फाइन, ही इज ऑफरिंग रिक्वेस्टिंग मी टू गिव द IP एड्रेस. ओके फाइन, प्लीज टेक दिस IP एड्रेस. ये एक्ट भेजेगा मुझे. तो जब मुझे मिल गया कोई IP एड्रेस 192.168 समझो 1.10 मिल गया, क्लास C का IP एड्रेस. तो मिल जाने के बाद मैं क्या करूंगा? आई विल प्ले विथ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
आई नो, बट सर लाइक एग्जांपल लाइक अच्छा, तो आपके सेवा एड्रेस कैसे मालूम होगा? सेवा एड्रेस आपको कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? एग्जांपल इसे
एड्रेस
कैसे मालूम?
मैं आपको क्या करूंगा? आई विल बी सेंडिंग द ब्रॉडकास्ट मैसेज. सो मेरे लैपटॉप में बैठ के, ओके, दिस इज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो वेयर यू आर लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ सर्वर्स इनसाइड. Okay, obviously you people are connected to the ISP, right?
ISP, yeah.
Okay, तो मेरा ISP मैं यूज करूंगा. Okay, I will send broadcast storm. आपको पैकेट फायर करता ही रहूंगा मैं. तो ये क्या करेगा? एज यू नो दैट DHCP में स्पेशली DHCP विल बी कॉन्फ़िगर्ड ऑन द सर्वर, not on the routers. Remember this. Okay, because it is not recommended because as per the Cisco. Okay, तो जैसे ही भाई इन लोगों को ब्रॉडकास्ट स्टॉर्म भेज दूंगा, स्टॉर्म भेजता रहूंगा. तो मे बी आई थिंक दिस गाइज इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो अगर सिक्योरिटी आपने ठीक से कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं किया, आपने क्या आपने कॉन्फ़िगर किया, आपका समझो क्लास A का भी कर दिया, क्लास B का, क्लास C का, डिफरेंट DHCP वी कैन कॉन्फ़िगर, राइट? क्लास A B C. तो जैसे ही ये भेजेगा तो ये बंदा क्या करेगा? सो ही इज रिक्वेस्टिंग मी. डोरा प्रोसेस तो करेगा इसको. आपने ठीक से कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं किया तो ऑब्वियसली देयर माइट बी चांसेस टू गिव द IP एड्रेस फ्रॉम दिस वन. जैसे ही मुझे IP एड्रेस मिल गया, समझो 10.1 IP एड्रेस मिल गया क्लास C का, मींस आई कैन मूव अराउंड योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Okay, of course nowadays they will be having the honeypot. आपने सुना है
honeypot? ना.
तो एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इवन आप बैंक में जाके देखो, आप बैंक में भी रहेगा honeypot.
हम्म,
ये डिवाइस है, ये डिटेक्ट करता है ओनली फॉर एक्सटर्नल यूजर.
ओके,
जैसे ही मैं स्कैन करूंगा, जैसे कि ये इसको बोलते हैं हम एन मैप, नेटवर्क मैप. तो ये स्कैन कर देगा आपकी पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट टेक्स टाइम, 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स लेगा.
ओके,
पूरे आईपी एड्रेस जितने भी समझो, यू विल बी हैविंग अराउंड 1000 स्पीसीज इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सारा डिटेल्स लेके आ जाएगा वो मेरे मेरे लैपटॉप में. जब मैं स्कैन करूंगा तो ये हनीपॉट क्या करेगा, इट विल ब्लॉक मी.
Oh, to prevent like outsiders to like.
Okay, who are you, man? Who the bloody are you? How can you scan my networks? तो ये खाली उसको ये भी नहीं करेगा ब्लॉक. Okay, at the same time, so he will get my details like my MAC, my IP, okay, which OS I'm using, okay,
Yeah.
so which my public IP, which ISP I'm using, Sara details, or my name also, if possible, if it's available in my computer, this all details will be available in the honeypot.
So honeypot basically, yeah, like it will be configured in the server, right?
No, it's a separate device.
It's a separate
And
device.
it is connected to all the servers and routers and firewall. It will be connected.
So honeypot basically, when you're gonna log into the honeypot, so it will be the interface, like you can see it, right?
You can see. So let me show you that honeypot what exactly is. If you check in this thing, what is honeypot used for? Security mechanism to create the virtual trap for your attackers.
Attackers, yeah.
Intentionally compromise computer system, okay, allowing attackers to exploit vulnerability, so you can study them to improve your security policy.
Okay.
Okay, and this is quite very important, right? आपको तो ये पता होना चाहिए. आप चेक करो, आप कल जा रहे हैं ना ऑफिस को, check it out. Okay, because he's the bank people mean they must have in the honeypot. Maybe device जैसे कि CCTV वायरलेस जो डिवाइस फिक्स करते हैं, they will be small, is look like CCTV only.
Oh, okay.
It's like CCTV की तरह ही वो दिखता है. Okay, and this all things we shall discuss, right? So your DSCP, client and relay, POB, like per hop behavior, SSH, telnet, these all things we should discuss. And at the same time, and the fundamentals, I think you can see the fundamentals. Threat, vulnerability, exploit, migrations, awareness, trainings, your access control. We shall also discuss the access control. So how we can block the PC, how we can block the based on the port numbers. So we can block based on the port number. Yeah.
The switch port security, all that, no?
Yeah. Switch port security. Okay. We can block the people. Okay. He's allowed to access the internet, but he cannot, he is not allowed to access our device.
Device, yeah.
Okay. समझो एक बंदे को हम, we can block the telnet, we can block SSH, we can block HTTPS, like port number 80. Okay, we can block the internet. Some employees, they doesn't require internet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so internal organization, they can communicate. So what we can do, just take the port number 80, HTTP or HTTPS or 443, take the port number, take the IP address of that guy, or VLAN, which VLAN he belongs to, we can block this.
Which? Oh, okay.
We can block this. That is called, we'll call it as your ACL. Access control list. Okay. And see, this is what I'm talking about. DSTP snooping.
Snooping. Yeah.
Snooping. Okay, and one more thing is we are going to discuss the VPN. Okay. Okay, site-to-site VPN, remote VPN. Here most we are using IPsec is a protocol, Internet Protocol Security. So here we are using site-to-site VPN. We will also do these configurations. And ARP snooping also we are going to discuss. And WAP, WPA2, and this is the latest, right? I think you might know about this.
WPA3, right?
Yeah,
हाँ ये
W
लेटेस्ट वाला है।
related
बट
WPA3.
मैं तो अभी उस पे कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं किया है, मैं तो जस्ट WPA WPA2 ये चलता रहा पहले।
Okay, no problem. We'll do this one. Okay,
हाँ
configure VLAN using WPA2 PSK.
हम्म
PSK means you know, right?
PSK security encryption something
Security encryption is
yeah
using GUI. Okay, and
yeah
last topic will be your programming and automations
yeah
impact. So how compare your different traditional network with controller based network, overlay, underlay fabric, separate control plane and data plane, northbound, southbound API. I think you might know about API, right? You might know about the
API
API. Yeah. Application.
No, I have to recall it, sir. I have to recall.
Yes, yes. Application programming interface. This is quite very important. Means we are interacting with the application. Using application, we are interacting with the hardware devices. Okay, एक template बना के we are pushing to the hardware. Maybe your firewall, your switches, or router, or your server.
Oh, okay. It's like something like a journal or something. Yeah.
Like instructions. एक template बनाएंगे.
Instruction.
Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts बनाएंगे. So this traffic, this VLAN block, this will allow internet access, this VLAN should not communicate to security VLAN, this VLAN should not communicate to IT team. Okay,
Yeah.
this all policy we can create in templates and push to the hardware device. इसको बोलते हैं API.
Okay.
Okay, और बहुत interesting topic है. And we shall discuss the Cisco DNA, HTTP verbs. We talk about these. And recognize capability configuration management mechanism for your Puppet, Chef, and Ansible. Okay, this is the
ये कुछ नया है ना सर?
ये
Something
नया
new
है, ये नया है.
हाँ, ये something new है.
And interprets JSON coding. So these all things up to here. Yeah, I think these are up to here entire thing. These all entire things are new in CCNA.
Oh, okay. It's good, yeah.
New one. Okay, so JSON is there. Okay, these all things we are going to discuss this.
Okay, it's good.
Okay, so this is our the CCNA topic. All about topic likely to be including the 20301 CCNA exam.
Yeah.
Okay, so this all will call it as CCNA exams. Okay, I think I'll show you the link. We can go through the content what we are going to study.
Yeah.
You want this one?
Yes, if you can just send me yeah.
Yeah. So let me. Okay, we can see in the chat box.
Yes, I got it. Huh?
Okay, so we can open from your side. I'm not going to record this one because today just a general discussion about topics.
Yeah.
What are topics we are going to discuss? So do you want a break for 15 minutes, Tabriz?
Yes, sir.
You want break so that I will also have my breakfast and come back.
Okay, sir. Sounds good.
Okay, fine. So
right, thank you.
So we'll be back in another 15 minutes.
Okay, sir. अरे आज नहीं हो रही तो हो सकता है नहीं तो हमें पूरा लाइव है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लाइव देखे हमें और यूट्यूब देखे ये पूरा हम क्यों हुए नहीं उला तो नहीं हो रही अभी तो खाली वैसे टॉपिक से
3 घंटा तुम यादेगा
तुम 2 घंटा करे कर लो 1 घंटा
कैसे आएगा?
बदमाशी पोती बदमाशी कहीं बदमाशी पकड़ यूं बता
हाँ। नहीं कर यार, ऐसा करो। तुम बहुत गर्म है गिरा।
पोती माँ अब मुके मोजी 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 ऐसे करता ऐसे करो 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 क्लिप सभी आज बांट रहा ना ये माइक को कर दिया तो सुना तो ही वहां
Tabrez.
Yes, sir.
Tabrez, every day you want 2 hours or 3 hours training?
If we like, yeah, 2 hours. Oh, it's we 9 o'clock start kare na. Mera time 9 o'clock. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10. 2 hours पर ठीक है ना?
No problem. Because
2
I think
hours
today,
थोड़ा हाली रफ्तार पेस पे ना?
2 hours per day will start. Okay.
हाँ.
So later on we'll see.
फिरोज का कुछ आया सर? फिरोज का?
पता नहीं, उसने मैसेज भी देखा भी नहीं है अभी. He is not yet seen message also. Anyhow, I'll see.
आपके पास? हाँ.
Okay. तो अभी और एक चीज मैं क्या करता हूँ आपको, I will send you the slides. Okay. Let me share you the slides as well. अभी स्लाइड जो डिस्प्ले है आपके पास इधर ऑन द स्क्रीन, ये स्लाइड भी आपको भेजता हूँ मैं.
ओके.
Slides totally we have the 5 different day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay, we have तो day 1 का. Okay, तो अभी आपको भेजा है. I think you'll receive it.
Okay, let me just drag and drop to my desktop.
पूरे 5 स्लाइड्स है. डे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आई थिंक डे 2 का देखता हूँ मैं. इट इज देयर, आई विल शेयर यू. एक बार मुझे एक रिमाइंडर कर देना.
Okay.
Because lot of things going on, because sometime I'll get forgot which student what has said, I don't know.
I know, sir.
Because why I'm sending you this, because some people they start writing on the screen while I'm explaining. They'll not focus on the training.
अच्छा, day 1 का आप भेजा है, day 2 को तो भी
day
नहीं
3
आया,
का.
day 3 का आया.
Day 3 का आया है. These are the very big slides. These are the Cisco slides, not my slides.
हाँ.
तो देखता हूँ, it is there. Even my Google Drive also is there.
Okay.
Okay, तो अभी हम एक काम करते हैं. So tomorrow's agenda I will show. I'll tell you that. Okay, अभी because of the time bound. Okay, tomorrow we shall discuss this one. These are the topics. This thing. I think
TCP and OSI model, no?
OSI.
OSI model.
Reference model. The first topic will be OSI. Then TCP/IP. Okay. These 2 topics I want to take 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay, this is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, and next day, that is on Friday. So Friday, we should discuss IP addressing.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
IP addressing
Only
about 2
right now we'll deal
hours.
only with IPv4. Okay, IPv6 we discuss later, because here we're going to do the subnetting. Okay, subnetting.
Important one है.
Yeah, VLSM, CRDR. Okay, that is loopback IPs, multicast IPs. Okay, broadcast.
Broadcast.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let me know what is the size of IP address, the price.
It's a 64-bit.
Are you sure?
32-bit. Sorry, 32-bit. 64-bit तो ये है IPv6 है. Sorry about that.
IPv6?
64.
No.
वो तो क्या उसको क्या बोलते हैं यार IPv6 का अरे आप बताया था सर अरे क्या नाम है
So IPv4 is 32 bits. Okay. IPv5 is 64 bits. Okay. So IPv6 is 128 bits.
128.
Okay. Remember, okay, this is the failure version. So these things we are using now.
Okay.
So do you know why we are using loopbacks? Any idea? Have you heard about the loopback IP?
Loopback IP?
कभी सुना है आपने?
Loopback IPS. ना
नहीं सुना loopback IP.
ना.
Okay. तो ये बताओ कि एटलीस्ट मुझे आइडिया है. I want to know. Okay. IP एड्रेस में आपको कितना आइडिया so that I can explain you better.
अच्छा IP एड्रेस में सर लाइक
आपको क्या क्या पता है IP एड्रेस में?
IP एड्रेस में के 3 क्लास ABC राइट सबनेटिंग आता है.
Very good.
और हाँ और सबनेटिंग IP एड्रेस बस ये 2 चीज मुझे ज्यादा पता है IP के बारे में.
Okay. अगर समझो आपका क्लास ये है. Okay. You have the class B. Okay. You have the class C. Okay. और इसका रेंज कहां से कहां शुरू होता है? Where it start, where it ends?
इसका शुरू होता है
Google, anything in Google.
ना गूगल नहीं करता वो एक खोल गया था. क्लास मेरे ख्याल से 10 डॉट राइट 10.0.0 समथिंग राइट. हाँ और क्लास बी का है 192 to 168. 192 to 223. Okay. Hello.
यहाँ पे 127 मिसिंग राइट?
हाँ.
Is for loopback.
Oh, okay.
I'll discuss more details about it. तो इसमें एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं मैं आपको. Okay.
Right.
So, okay, let me clean this. I want to test small test. छोटा टेस्ट लेंगे आपसे.
मैं जान गया कि आप टेस्ट आप लेंगे. आप 3 IP लिखेंगे. कौन कैटेगरी में फॉल होता है ना? I think something like that. थोड़ा मुझे रिकॉल हो रहा है.
ओके ठीक है. अब मुझे आप क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दूंगा मैं आप. 192.168 1.0 okay /24.
Right.
Okay. So what is the subnet mask? This is my, what is we'll call it as, this is what IP this is? This is IP or what? This is my network
Network IP.
This is the network ID. This is not the IP address, right?
Sorry, ID. Yeah, network
This is
ID.
network ID. This is not an IP address, remember.
Yeah, that's a network ID. Yeah.
Okay. And what is this?
That's a subnet mask.
Okay, this is subnet mask. Okay, this is subnet mask.
Mhm.
Okay. So now, okay, this is my first scenario. So I will change the scenario. So 192, okay, 168, okay,
Yes.
1.0, okay, /29.
Okay.
This is also same. This is also, we'll call it as my network
ID.
Network ID.
Mhm.
Now you tell me what could be my subnet mask now. 255, 255, 255. Now you tell me what could be my subnet mask. You tell me what is this first.
That's a network. That's one network.
Okay. So this is belongs to your class C IP address.
C. Yeah.
Okay. So remember this class A, okay, /8, class B /16, class C /24.
24.
Okay. And what are those values? What are these values? This value we will call it as your CIDR.
Okay.
Classless inter-domain routing.
Inter-domain routing.
So
okay.
as per this scenario, okay, my CIDR value change, that is to 29, means this network is subnetted.
Okay.
Then obviously my subnet mask
25.
also change. So what could be my subnet mask?
255.
255, 255, 255 dot?
255.
No.
And 0.
No, no 0.
28, 29. I have no idea, sir.
Okay, fine. So as simple this. Okay, fine. So as you know that, okay, do you know what is this 24? How this 24 has been come? Any idea?
24 actually.
मैं आपको थोड़ा आइडिया मैं देता हूं अभी आपको. Okay, what is this? Okay. So this is my IP address, 192.168, 1.0/24. Right. So this is what we'll call, this is my decimal number, right?
Right.
Okay, if you write in binary. So how we are going to write this one? Means each octet belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it is 32-bit, right?
Right.
So each octet 8. Now it is total equals 32 bits. 32 bits, right? Okay. So as per this one, okay, /24 means, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dot. Now it is, now this will become equals to 24 now. Right. So this is my class C IP address.
Yes.
So now if it is 29, okay. So 24 plus 4, how much? 29, right?
24 plus 4.
24 plus 5, I think.
29, yeah.
29. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. No, now this also equals to 32-bit now. Got it? And this is my subnet
Subnet
mask.
mask.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, how I can write this subnet mask? Okay, 255, 255, 255. Now, what should be here now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, how we are going to do this calculation? I think you might heard about this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To
Then
the
we-
power of, that is subnetting. I'm telling about why these things. I think you might know about this one, right? So 1,
Power
2,
2,
4,
3,
8,
4, 8,
16,
4, 16,
32,
2,
64,
64,
128.
128.
If you add this all, it will become 255.
Hmm.
Okay. So this
Yeah.
5-bit, right? You can see, right? 5-bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just add this, how much will come? 128, 64, 32, 16, and 8. How much? Three, 6, 12, 13, 14. 248.
Yes, correct.
Correct?
Yep, 248. Yeah.
Okay. This is the subnet mask. समझ में आया तबरे से एक कैसे हुआ?
वेट करना.
थोड़ा अभी देखो ये मैंने क्या किया /29 जब हम लिखते हैं ओके दैट इज टोटल हाउ मेनी 29 बिट्स आर हाई 29 बिट्स आर हाई राइट अगर /CADR वैल्यू चेंज होता है ओके एंड दिस इज आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू क्लास C IP एड्रेसिंग मैं आपको
Yes.
ओवरव्यू दे रहा हूं अभी आपको नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूं आई वांट टू नो आपको कितना पता है इसके बारे में IP एड्रेसिंग के बारे में ठीक है तो
Okay.
29 बिट्स जो है हाई है ओके ये तो पता है ये पता है ना आपको 255 हाउ इट हैज कम
By adding
दिस ऑल
Yeah.
बिट्स
all the octets.
all the octets are high then it will become 255
255. So may note down कर लो I think so.
it is getting live on the YouTube you can watch later now
Okay, later. हाँ.
okay ऐसा लगेगा कि आप खुद पढ़ रहे हो वहां पे because we are both are live there YouTube में no problem because there's a lot of methods I will tell you very simple okay और interesting भी है and it's very important because many people will get confusing in IP addressing.
Yeah.
I have the slides for this. Don't worry. Separate. We have very simple slides.
Okay.
There are many methods also to calculate. अभी तो थोड़ा आइडिया आ गया ना आपको
अब मैं इसे रिकॉल किया अपना पास्ट स्टडीज जो है तो अब आने लगा है
अच्छा
बिकॉज सीसी तो बहुत दिन मैंने CCNA किया था बट मैंने सर्टिफिकेशन भी नहीं किया तो मैंने सोचा चलो ये बार मैंने करनी है ना
ठीक है चलो अभी आपको मैं क्या करता हूँ यही जो IP एड्रेस है समझो मैंने बना दिया इसका /25 ओके आप बताओ कि इसका सबनेट मास्क क्या होगा
25
ओके तो लेट मी आपको मैं लिख देता हूँ से एग्जांपल दिस इज माय IP एड्रेस सो 192.168.1.0/25 ओके इसका सबनेट मास्क होगा SBN सो 255.255.255.0 इसका क्या होगा
वेट करना सर
255.255.224.
कैसे बताओ?
Because जो each every octet है, तो मैंने इधर से लिया 128 right plus 64 plus 32 because आधा octet में तो zeros है, so वो octo हम नहीं लेते.
चलो ठीक है, तो आपने क्या 1255.255.225.224.
हाँ.
अच्छा, तो मैंने यहाँ पे कितना लिखा? 25.
हाँ.
ओके, ये कितना हो गया? ये दिस इज 8.
8.
दिस इज ऑल्सो 8. दिस इज
Yes.
ऑल्सो 8. कितना हो गया ये?
8.
24.
24.
ओके, देन यहाँ पे एक बिट है ना? एक ही बिट मैंने
हाँ.
लिया ना, 25.
हाँ. हाँ.
ये
हाँ.
सारे जीरो है, तो कितना हो गया ये? 25
5.
हुआ ना?
1 2 3 4 5. हाँ.
25 हो गया ना? 8 8 16, 16 plus 8 24. 24 एक ही बिट मैंने लिया है, बिकॉज माई क्वेश्चन इज 192.168/24 25. ओके, तो वन बिट हो गया 25, मीन्स फर्स्ट बिट इज हाई हियर, ओनली वन बिट इज हाई. तो कितना हो गया ये?
128.
128 हो गया.
128.
अगर समझो मैंने /26 दिया तो कितना हो गया?
128.
/26.
/26.
हाँ.
192.
/22 का कितना हो गया? इसका सबनेट मास्क, सो 255.255.255. ओके, हाउ मच? कितना हो गया?
192.
192. 192. दिस इज कॉल्ड सबनेट मास्क.
Hmm.
ये पता है ना कैसा है? 0 3 4 5 6 7 8, ये तो पता है ना आपको? So 128,
64,
32,
32,
16,
16,
8 4 2 1.
हाँ.
राइट. अगर समझो एक बिट हाई हो गया यहाँ पे, तो कितना हो गया? ये इतना हो गया ना. दो बिट हाई तो 26 हो गया. राइट. अगर 27 है तो तीन बिट हाई हो गया. 28 है तो एक बिट हाई हो गया. तो इसको ऐड करके यहाँ पे डाल दो बस. दिस इज फॉर क्लास सी.
क्लास सी.
अच्छा, आपको भी ज्यादा नहीं होगा, आपका फिर दिमाग गर्म हो जाएगा फिर. अगर समझो आपको ये आईपी एड्रेस है, समझो आपका 172.16.10.0 के /16. ओके, और इसका सबनेट मास्क क्या होगा?
कितना?
how it is happened?
It's look, again.
It's very simple, Tabriz. First understand this. Okay. तो इसमें आपको क्या करता हूं मैं, लेट मी ओपन द न्यू पेज. नहीं, मैं अभी आपको आईपी एड्रेसिंग नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू मेक यू कंफ्यूज. ओके, सो लेट्स गो टू द डिफरेंट सिंपल वे. Because I don't want to, because it will get confused if I start explaining now. But just to overview, I explained you one. Okay, don't this thing. We shall discuss more details of the IP addressing, and it is very important. Okay, this thing. And tomorrow only two topics I'm going to discuss. Okay, so OSI reference model and TCP/IP.
Okay.
Okay, and training कैसा रहेगा देखो. Actually, as per your need is, so you need 2 hours, right? Okay, so in these 2 hours, okay, I'm going to explain 30 minutes theory. Okay, then 15 minutes break. Okay, break is also very important, right, for you and for me also.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I think 60 plus 15, I think 75 minutes. So 75 minutes will do the lab.
Yeah, and if possible, I think we can do sometimes on Sunday too. Like Sunday, I think, like if you are free.
Yes, we'll do it. And I'll ask other my old students to join in the group. We can play with the router, switches, and firewall on Sundays.
Yeah. Inshallah. Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. So we'll do, no problem. And because तो हम सीखते हैं कैसा है कभी remember. So technology will be learned when you are discussing the things, discussing the topics. So there you can learn.
ये लोग तो सर जो आप मुझे पढ़ा रहे हो, लाइक बहुत दिन मैंने सीखा था. तो सिंस मैं अब इधर IBM में आ गया हूँ, तो फिर वो जो प्रोग्रामिंग जर्नल्स और लिनक्स सिस्टम, तो नेटवर्क से थोड़ा से बगल हो गया, थोड़ा दूर है, बट ओवरऑल से क्या है, फाइबर केबलिंग, टेस्टिंग, नेटवर्क, इथरनेट, वो सब तो